gathered here today in holy matrimony to join this couple as they seal their vows for all time and eternity. Do you take this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife? Through thickness and through thin, through sickness and through health, till death do you part?
I do.
Do you take this man to be your lawfully wedded husband? Through thickness and through thin, through sickness and through health, till death do you part?
I do.
I say now, anyone who has reason why these two should not be joined, let them speak now or forever hold their peace. I now pronounce you husband and wife.
This is the moment I've waited for. I can hear my soon bells will ring. This is the moment waiting for, sweet love. I will love you longer and forever. Promise me that you will leave me never. Now that we are one, love won't hide the sun. The sky of a white smile will lead our wedding day. I do love you with all my heart.
I'm gonna take your hand to make you understand our love is true and I know will never end. The skies is clear and everyone is near. Let me take you down the aisle and let everybody cheer. This is the best time I'm looking forward to. Is when we trade vows and both say I do. And now that I'm yours, and surely you are mine, I'ma hold you in my arms till the end of time.
Nani